Construction site vocabulary. Chimney. Rafter. Ridge beam. Brick. Lintel. Hard hat. Construction worker. Window. Wall. Ladder. Construction site. Pallet. Lumber. Construction site. Safety notice board. Ear protector or ear muffs. High visibility vest. Safety gloves. Safety glasses. Tool belt. Girder. Pipe. Cement or mortar. Cinder block. Shingles. To build. Tools and roadworks vocabulary. Trowel. Level. Handle. Shovel. Pickaxe. Sledgehammer. Excavator or digger. You must wear a hard hat while you are on the site. Roller. Cone. Resurfacing. Jackhammer. Road construction. Machinery vocabulary. Jib. Hook. Support. Tower crane. Counterweight. Dump truck. Truck mounted crane. Bulldozer. Front loader. Grader. Flatbed truck. Cement mixer. Forklift.